Hello, good morning children. Welcome to Mathematics online class, standard 10, class number 3. Why I am telling class number 3? This is my continuous third class children. Here in the last class we discussed about the arithmetic progression. Before we go to the next topic, let us recall that what is an arithmetic progression. See, I gave the definition. All of you must write all this in the classwork. What is an arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. What is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means continuous terms. Here I have given some examples here. Example 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 9, 11. And the 3 is the first term denoted by A1 or A also. 5 is the second term denoted by A2. 7 is the third term denoted by A3. 9 is the fourth term denoted by A4, and 11 is the fifth term denoted by A5. A5 is the fifth term of the arithmetic progression given here. And what about the last term? The last term is denoted as AN. AN is the nth term of the arithmetic progression in this example. Here A1 is also same as the A. Both are A1 and A both are same. Here what is that I have told here? The difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. What is the meaning of that? Constant means same. See here, consecutive means A1 and A2 are the continuous two terms. A2 and A3 are the continuous two terms. A3 and A4 are the continuous two terms. Whenever you finding the difference, this you have to take the first and second term, second and third and fourth, like that only you have to take. You should not skip any terms in between them. So here A1, A2, 5 minus 3 is 2. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, 5 minus 3 is 2. I showed all this in the last class. A3 minus A2, 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. So that 2 is the constant. That is same. Okay, if that is same only, we can call it as an arithmetic progression. If it changes, then it is not an arithmetic progression. That you have to find out between the consecutive terms. This is very much important. Consecutive terms. See here, second example, I given the 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. See how we got this one? This is my own example. See, I have taken first one, number 12. You can frame your own AP. You can assume, you can start from any number and keep on adding the same number to the next one. So on. See here 12. So first term is 12. I have added 3 to the first term. I got the second term 15. Here I got second term. That same 3 is added to the second term. I got the third term. 15 plus 3 is 18. That same 3 is added to the third term. I got the fourth term. 18 plus 3 is 21. And that same 3 is added to the fourth term. I got the fifth term. 21 plus 3 is 24. That same 3, that 3 means it is a constant or this one, a common difference. That 3 is added again to this 24. I got the 27. See A1 first term, A2 second term, A3 third term, A4 fourth term, A5 fifth term, A6 etc. AN is the nth term of the arithmetic progression. What is the common difference here? 3 is the common difference, and that 3 is constant here. Therefore this is called an arithmetic progression. And also in the last class we discussed about the general form of the AP. What is the general form? General form is which is applicable to any sequence. See, for example, I have taken first term A and second term is A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. Fifth term is A plus 4D. And here A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, AN are the terms of the sequence. Terms of the general form of the sequence. And A is the first term. A plus D is the second term. How we got first term? First term we assumed A. First term. For that, if you add common difference D, that how we added 3 here to get the second term, like that common difference D is added. D means difference, that the difference is same or constant. See A plus D. For this A plus D, again if you add D to this, we get the A plus 2D. For this A plus 2D, we add D, that common difference, we get the fourth term A plus 3D. For this fourth term A plus 3D, again if you add D, we get the fifth term A plus 4D, and so on. And what is the nth term of this? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the nth term of the general form. And this is the general form, and this is the formula to find the nth term of the arithmetic progression. Here Tn is equal to A plus Tn or An, both are same, is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now let us see some examples in our daily life. Children, you must write this definition, examples and general form of AB in your classwork. Write neatly and write this formula also. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This formula also. After this, I will go to some general examples in our daily life. See here, you must have observed that in the nature, many things follow a certain pattern, such as the petals of a sunflower. You know this petals of a sunflower. It is arranged according to arithmetic progression by nature itself. The holes of a honeycomb, you know honeycomb. Okay, that honeycomb also increased in the form of the arithmetic progression. The grains on a maize cob. The grains on a maize cob also, the grains of a maize cob are arranged in the arithmetic progression. The spirals on a pineapple, and in the pineapple, if you cut the pineapple into many spirals, you can find the arithmetic progression. In that order, you can find out. On a pine cone, see, we know, look for some patterns which occur in our day-to-day life. Some such examples are: Reena applied for a job and got selected. She has been offered a job with a starting monthly salary of 8,000 with an annual increment of 500 in her salary. Her salary in rupees. You see, if you write that number salary or salary in the form of arithmetic progression, first month after she joining to job, she got first month 8,000 rupees. Then after 1 year, her increment is added for that 8,500. Second year. The third year, again 500 rupees increment is given by the company, and the salary became 9,000 rupees. Again, after the first year, second year, third year, after that, again in the fifth year, she got an increment 500 again. Fourth year, she got an increment 500. Again, see her salary. Look at the pattern. 8,000, 8,500, 9,000, 9,500. The A value is 8,000 and keep on adding 500 to this, 800. Plus 500, 8,500, 8,500 plus 500, 9,000, 9,000 plus 500, 9,000 plus 9,500 plus 500, and so on it will continue. So, our salary is in the form of arithmetic progression. So, this is an example for the arithmetic. What is the first term? First term is A, that is equal to 8,000 rupees. Common difference. What is the common difference? See, A1, A2, A3, A4. Find out the common difference here. The common difference is, see, A2 minus A1 also is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. Okay, difference between any two consecutive terms. The second term is 8,500 minus 8,000. She got 500. That 500 rupees is keep on adding for every year as an increment. So 500 is the common difference here. You find out in the second case, third and fourth, second consecutive terms. Third term is 9,000 minus 9,000, 8,500. Then difference is 500. That 500 is common. So this is called the constant or common. If this is constant only, then only we call it as a arithmetic progression. If this is changes for every day between any two consecutive terms, then it is not an arithmetic progression. It is called some other different. Okay. Now look at the second example here. After the first one, look at the second example. The length of the rungs of a ladder decreases. You know the meaning of ladder? Ladder means what, children? Ladder is like this. Okay. The rungs of the ladder decreases uniformly by 2 cm from bottom to top. So this is the bottom to top. So bottom to top. The bottom rung is 45 cm in length. See, bottom length is 45. Then, in length, the lengths of in centimeter of the first, second and third are after that. So, it is decreasing. Again, it becomes 43. Then, 41, 39, then 37 and 35. This diagram is given in the textbook. See, 45, how it is? First time, if you write this one in the form of our progression, 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35. These are the terms of the progression. If you write the terms of this example as a progression, you will get like this. See, what is the first term here? A is the first term, and A2 is the second term, A3 is the third term, A4 is the fourth term, and A5, 37 is the fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. How many rungs are there in a ladder? There are 6 rungs are there from top to bottom. Okay, 45, 40. Look at here. What is the difference? Let us find out. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A1 and A both are same. That is 45, 43 minus 45. So what is that? Minus 2. D is minus 2. What this minus 2 indicate? Minus 2 indicates that the length is decreasing in the constant order. So look at the second time. We will find out the A3 minus A2. What is A3? 41 minus 43. The in case also minus. Look at these differences. The differences are same. Therefore, this is in arithmetic progression. Okay, both write these 2 examples in your classwork, children. Now I will go to the exercise 1.1. Look at the example, few examples for the arithmetic progression given in your textbook. See the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at, can you find the first term of this? Consider the following list of numbers are in the form of arithmetic progression. What is the first term here? First term A is equal to 1. Common difference, can you find the common differences here? A1, A2, A3, A4. Only 4 terms are given, and the common difference is A2 minus A1. That is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Common difference is 1. This is the first time I found. And again, you find out the second and between second and third, A3 minus A2. That is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. See, the common difference is same. And find out like that between any 2 consider. And the common difference is, if the common difference is same, then it is an arithmetic. The first one is an arithmetic progression. It is just a set of natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural numbers are counting numbers. Counting numbers also in the form of arithmetic progression. You have to write these examples in the class. Look at the second one. Look at second one. 100, 70, 40, 10, etc. Look at here. What is the first term? A1 is 100. First term is A is equal to 100. Okay. And the second term is A2 is 70. Third term is 40. See, the numbers are decreasing. Okay. If you want to find out the fourth term, you can find out. See, how to find a common difference? Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is also equal to A3 minus A2 is also equal to A4 minus A3. Okay. Let us find out here. D is equal to A2. What is A2? 70 minus 100. What is 70 minus 100 is one is plus, other one is minus. Subtract and you will get minus 30. Why minus 30? Smaller number and bigger number. Bigger number sign is minus, write that sign. Here also is equal to A3 minus A2. What is A3? 40 minus 70. 40 minus 70 is minus 30. And similarly here also you find out A4 minus A3. A4 is 10 minus 40. 10 minus 40 means that is equal to minus 30. See this difference, minus 30, minus 30, minus 30. Therefore, minus 30 is the common difference. Therefore, this is a arithmetic progression. And if you want to find out the next term, 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are given. If you want to find the fifth term, how it is, just add minus 30 to this one. If you add minus 30 to the fourth term, A4 plus minus 30. If you add that one, what is A4? 10 minus 30. 10 minus 30 is minus 20. The fifth term will be minus 20. Minus sign also you can come also in the arithmetic program. Similarly, if you continue, all will get the negative terms. Okay. Therefore, this is an arithmetic program. This is the second example. You have to write this into your classwork along with all these terms. Why it is an A? This is an example. Why it is a reason for why it is an AP. Common difference is same. Common difference is same. Therefore, it is an AP. Now, I will go to the third example. What is the third example? The third example is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. 3 minus 2 minus 1 0. 0 can also come. Your AP can start from 0 also children. Even if you start first term is 0, okay, second term is 3, 6 like that. You can write your own AP by assuming any number, any starting number. So here see the first term is A1 minus 3, second term is A2 minus 2, third term is minus 1 and fourth term. Let us find first term is A is equal to minus 3. What about the common difference? Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is also equal to A3 minus A2 is also equal to A4 minus A3. So what is A2? A2 is minus 2. Look at here very carefully children, and we are getting 2 minus 2. A2 is minus 2 I am writing, and here one minus sign is there, write that minus sign. And also after that see this minus is what is there in the procedure I am written. Here A1 is minus 3. You have to use the bracket here minus 3. So minus 2 I used a different color here. Minus 2 minus of minus 3. That is equal to minus 2 minus into minus plus 3. What the common difference is? 1 minus 1 plus, you must subtract it. So you will get the plus 1. So the difference is plus 1 in this case. Let us see from the second and third. A3 minus A2. A3 is what? Minus 1. Minus of this minus I am writing. What is there in the procedure? That minus I am writing. Minus of my A2 minus 2. That is equal to minus 1. Minus into minus is plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. Minus and plus subtract, and bigger number sign is plus, therefore write plus 1. See from the fourth and third A4. A4 is what? 0. Minus what this minus I am writing here, that is there in the procedure. Minus A3. What is A3? Minus 1. Minus of minus 1. That is equal to 0. Minus into minus plus 1. That is equal to plus 1. See the differences. Common difference D is 1 plus 1. D is plus 1 and D is plus 1. Therefore this is an arithmetic progression. In the exercise 1.1 we will give you the question. Check whether the following are AP or not. How to check? This is the procedure to check whether the following given progressions are AP or not. This is the procedure to check. Okay, look at the fourth examples. This is the third example. You have to write down this into classwork along with all this finding the common difference. Now I will go to the fourth example. What is the fourth example is minus 1. 1.0 means minus 1. Minus 1.5, minus 2, 2.0 means minus 2, minus 2.5. See the first term A1, second term A2 minus 1.5, third term minus 2, and fourth term is minus 2.5. Let us find the first term. A is equal to minus 1. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? Minus 1.5, and this minus is what is there in the procedure that I am writing. Minus of minus 1, that is equal to minus 1.5. Minus into minus plus 1. Minus 1.5 plus 1 is minus, 1 is plus. What you should do? Subtract. If you subtract this from this, so you will get this 0.5. We will get 0.5. What 0.5? Minus 1.5. Minus 1. If you add 0.5 to this, you will get 1.5. So minus 1.5 is the common difference. Minus 0.5 means it is nothing but a 1 by 2. Okay, you can write it as in the fraction form 1 by 2. Similarly, find out D here. A3 minus A2. A3 minus, what is A3? Minus 2. 2 means 2.0 means minus 2. Minus of minus 1.5. See here. 1.5 minus 2 minus into minus plus 1.5, that is equal to minus 0.5 is the common difference. So this common difference is same, and you can write this as a 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equivalent to 0.5, and you have to write the minus sign here. So this is the common. Therefore this is an arithmetic progression. Let us come to the exercise 1.11. See again they are given few examples from our daily life, in which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression, and why? See they are asking, which you have to check whether the following situations are an arithmetic progression, and also they are asking for the reasons. How do I check this one? You have to write the in the terms of numbers like this, and then after that you have to find out the common difference 2 or 3 times, and if the common difference is same, then only you have to say yes, it is an arithmetic progression. You understood, children, how to check this one? Understand the question? In which of the following, you have to write this into your classwork, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? See, first one, the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for additional kilometer. You know, you all traveled using the taxi or auto. You know, minimum is fare. For example, I take auto, see, minimum fare is 25 rupees. After every 1 kilometer, what is the jump, you know, children? The jump will be 1 rupee. See, first minimum 25, then after that every 100 meter jump is there. How much it will be there? Plus 1 rupees. So then plus this become 25, plus 1 means 26, then again 1 rupee 27. So like keep on going till you stop the auto, till your destination reach, then it keep on increasing. See, this is my own example again. Using this one, you have to write the arithmetic progression. After writing arithmetic progression, you have to check whether it is an forms an AP or not. You have to check. How to check? By finding the common difference between the consecutive terms. Okay, like that you have to do. These two are homework I am giving you. You have to find out and then you have to write this into classwork. Next one, see, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by 50 for each subsequent meters. Means same. When you are digging the earth, you all know that many of the people are working. Okay, so they know what is how they are going to charge for digging the earth here. So the cost of digging a well after every meter digging, when it costs 150 for the first meter, up to first 1 meter 150 rupees they will charge. After every meter they are keep on charging 50 150 again. 50 added, 200, again 250 added for that, 250, like that. And you write this one in the sequence form, and then check whether it forms an AP or not. Okay, so these two you have to do this in your classwork. I am giving these two as a homework. Next. See, now I am coming to exercise. See, in the exercise 1.11, second main, write the first 4 terms of the AP. When the first term A and the common difference are given as, see, they given first one. I will do out 4. I have taken 4 sums. I will do 2 are homework. Which 2 you want? Whichever you want, I will do it. The first one is A is equal to minus 2 and common difference D is equal to 0. What you have to do it? Write the first 4 terms of the arithmetic progression. When the first terms A and the common difference D are given. A is given, the first term A. Before we write this one, let us write the general form of AP. A plus D, first term A, without adding anything to the first term we get A, and adding common difference D we get the second term, adding common difference again to the second term we get the third term, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Okay, so what is given here? First term A is minus 2. Okay, add 0 to the minus 2, get the second term, minus 2 plus common difference is 0. Add again what we got, minus 2, if you add 0 to this one, minus 2, and again the third term A is minus 2 plus of 2D means 2 into D, 2 into 0, that is equal to minus 2 plus 0, and we get the minus 2, again minus 2 and so on. If you do add again A plus third term, 3 into minus, 3 into 0 we get the third term and so on. See, this is the required arithmetic progression. What is that? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. They are asking you to write the first 4 terms. Again, if you want to find out the 4th term, A plus 3 into D, that is equal to A is minus 2 in plus 3 into minus 2. That is, sorry, 3 into D is 0, sorry. Minus 2 plus 3 into 0 is 0. Again we get the minus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. that is what we require. Write the first part of the arithmetic progression. First one and the last one I do. Second and third is your exam, your homework. Fourth one I do it. Fourth one is what? Minus 1.5. A is minus 1.25. D is minus 0.25. See what is the first term? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Like this also you can write, or after writing first term you directly also you can write that one. What the first term is? Minus 1.25 first term. So after that you add this one. How to add this one? You write this one minus 1.25. 0.25. So decimal part should be under the decimal part, integer part should be under that integer part. See 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 2 plus 2 4, plus 1 5, minus 1, minus 1.5. The next term is minus 1.5. Again for this minus 1.5 add this one, we get the third term. Minus 1.5, 0.25 minus. Both signs are minus means we have to add it. Say again 5 plus 2 7, minus 1, minus 1.75. For this third term again you add the same thing. Minus 1.75, 0.25. See if you add 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, plus 2 10 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 minus 2. See that this one? Minus 2. And keep on continuing. See, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 terms of the arithmetic progression. First term is what? Minus 1.25. Second term is we got after adding common difference to this, we got the second term minus 1.5. For the second term, if you are adding this one minus 0.25, you get the third term minus 1.75. Adding 0.25 to this third term, we get the fourth term 2. So minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75, minus 2 is the arithmetic progression. Okay, second and third are homework. You have to do it, these children. And after this, I will go to second main. You have to write this into your classwork. Third main. In the third main, what is the question? For the following AP, write the first term and the common difference. Here AP is given. You have to find out the first term and the common difference. See here also 4 I have taken. Out of 4, 2 I will do. 2 is your homework. 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 is an AP, given AP. What is the first term? First term is A. Always first term is A, you take 3. Okay, what is the common difference? This question is important, children. It will be given in the final examination in the form of multiple choice question. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. How to find the common difference? A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, see A3, A1 is first term 3. Common difference is D is equal to A2 minus A1. One time if you find out, no problem, it's enough. Because already it is given for the following APs. If they are given AP means the common difference will be same. Okay, no doubt it will be same. A2 minus A1, 1 minus 3. What is that? 1 plus 1 minus, you will get minus 2. So the common difference is minus 2. That's what they want, A and D. Okay, first one I have done. I'll take the, which one you want? I'll go to fourth one. What is the fourth one? Second and third are homework. You have to write all this into your classwork. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. First term is same, easy, very easy for all of you. You can find out the first term directly from the problem. See, the A is equal to 0.6. What about the common difference? A2 minus A1. A2 is what? 1.7 minus of 0.6. Subtract this. How to subtract? This is a decimal number. How to subtract this one is very much important. And you have to learn all this by doing the rough work in your right side of your classwork. 1.7 minus 0.6. Subtract this. Plus 1.7. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1. So, what is the bigger number? That is equal to 1.11. What is the sign for this one? See 1.7, 0.6. What is sign of this? Plus. What is sign of this one? Minus. Which is the bigger number here? Bigger number is plus. Therefore, plus 1.1 is the common difference. First term is 0.6 and the common difference is 1.1 is the D value. So, these two they required. And second and third you have to do it. Okay. See here in the third one they are given fraction, but no problem. You have learnt all this, the fraction of subtraction of fractions in your previous class. You can do this. Second and third are homework. You have to do it in your classwork. Now I will go to the fourth main. See in the fourth main, which of the following are APs? And if they form an AP, find the common difference and write the 3 more terms. What you have to do it here? You have to keep on checking each one. Totally 11 sums are there, 11 APs are there, 11 sequences are given. I don't know whether it is an AP or not. You have to take the first one. I show you 1 or 2. Remaining is your homework. How to do it? You have to take a AP. So what is the question? First understand the question. Which of the following are APs? Among this you have to find out which are APs. Each one you have to take it and find out. If they form an AP, if we take it in the form of AP, arithmetic progression, then find the common difference and write the 3 more terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. For example, the first one is an AP. You have to find the common difference. Okay, and then 3 more terms you have to write it. Okay, for example, I show you first one. First one is what? 2, 4, 8, 16. See the first one. Let us see whether it is an AP or not, and also we will write the reason for that. First term A, second term A2, third term A3, and fourth term A4, etc. If it is an AP, you have to find out 3 more terms. What is the first term? A is equal to 2. What is the common difference? When you are checking an AP or not, you have to find out the common difference more than 2, minimum 2 times. Even if you find out 3 times, also it is well and good. You have to find out minimum 3 times. A2 minus A1. What is A2? 4 minus 2, that is equal to, we got 2. Okay, one time we got the common difference is 2. Let us find out one more time. D is equal to A3 minus A2. What is A3? 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. D is equal to 4. Are the same? D are same. First time we got difference between first and second term. We got 2. Difference between the third and second term we got 4. Are the same, children? These two are not same. Therefore, it is not AP. Not AP. What is the reason? Reason is common difference is not same. See, this common difference is not same. Therefore, it is not an AP. First one is not an arithmetic progression. No need to find the next 3 terms of this. So, this is how to do the first one. I will take one more after this, and remaining all is homework. See here, which one you want? Shall I take the 9th one? What is the 9th one? 4th main, 9th one. What is the 9th one? A, 2A, 3A and 4A. Do all these problems and I will send its solutions in the WhatsApp number. Okay, and do all this and do the corrections. What is the first term? A1, A2, A3, A4. 4 terms are given. Let us find, if it is an AP, we have to find out the next 3 terms. First term A is equal to A. Common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. That is equal to 2A minus A. 2A minus 1A. 2A minus 1A is A. The common difference is A. Similarly, let us find it one more time. D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is what? 3A minus 2A. 3A minus 2A is A. D is A. Look at these two. Yes, it is an AP. Yes, it is AP. Arithmetic progression. What is the difference? What is the reason? The common difference is same. Common difference is same. Therefore, it is an AP.